I just woke up. Say hello, guys. Guys, my baby's not gonna be a baby anymore in 2 weeks. I don't know how I feel about that. I get so emotional all the time. I read about this other thing that they said that before I go to the hospital, I must give him one more last hug because he won't be a baby anymore. Gosh, my baby. Oh, man. My baby's not gonna be a baby anymore. Okay, let me do this. Okay, guys, I thought that as I'm preparing for my hospital plan bag, this is what I'm gonna put. So like, I just wanted to show you guys the trick or what I use, to not have the silver stripes or stretch marks, you say. Okay, I'll put it. Sorry about that. So this is what I bought, but I got any Nivea thingy, but this one is basically for very dry skin.
I bought this big one.
Okay, now I'm not using that one, ne? Okay, so but this really helps with stretch marks as well. So it reduces the appearance of stretch marks in 2 weeks. So that's what it's written there. So this specific one, so it's called Radiant and Beauty Advanced Care. So it's 48 long-lasting nourishment, visible smoothes, and reduces the appearance of stretch marks in 2 weeks. So this is what I put into my lotion.
Mommy,
so what you do, guys, you get this combination and put it inside, right? You get this combination, you put it inside here. So what you need, guys, you need this. I know everybody has it, the Magnolia tissue oil from Pep. And then you need the castor oil. Yes, guys, you need castor oil. Then you need the olive oil. You need the liquid paraffin.
That's the oil.
Then you need the tissue oil gel. Right, tissue oil gel. So there's this types. I was using this one, it got finished, right? So there's the Ingram's one, and then now I bought the Clicks brand. I couldn't find this anymore, so this is the Clicks brand. I looked for it everywhere, I couldn't find. So that's what you have. And lastly, the tissue oil. Oh no, the tissue oil I already have. No, I didn't have the.
Mommy?
Sorry. The tissue oil, so tissue oil, because this one I had was the Magnolia tissue oil, and this was the tissue oil gel. Then now is the bio oil. Yes, guys, I put so much oil in my thingy, so you can do it with me. So this is how I just mix, guys. Neck mix chaga my eyes. So you put it here, then you're gonna squeeze it in. Don't know if you guys see that it's going in. See, so I'm just gonna squeeze it.
Mommy, it's oil.
Yes, it's oil. So I'm just gonna move this side. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna go off the screen and do it. I'll show you guys up close.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Angels are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Hey guys, so mommy went to do her nails. What do you think? I'm getting ready. The baby's about to arrive, so mommy nails. And my helper washed the laundry so I can prepare the hospital bag. Guys, it's few days left, like right here. It's literally few days. It's last week. And guys, I thought I should show you this toiletry bag I got from Foshini for $4.99. I think it is so cute. So I was like, let me show you guys. Like I'm saying, I'm preparing my hospital bag. So yeah, just have a look at it. Yeah guys, you'll see it when I'm packing the hospital bag. You'll see it properly. Good morning. So my husband has started with unpacking the new bed. We bought a smaller one this time, so let's hope it fits. We still have space to move. Yeah, so that's what he's gonna be busy with today. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm not gonna take the whole thing. It takes a while. So guys, after hours later, so he managed to do this part. So this is how the cot needs to be assembled. So when I went to check, I asked him that I don't like it like that, so I wanted him to reduce it, like to be like this. I don't want to carry the baby out, like it's a lot of work. I just want to pull the baby into the bed when I'm breastfeeding. So it needs to be the same level as the bed. So that's why he's making his own holes there. And yeah, so this is how it's gonna be. Yeah, the same level as the bed. And guys, I managed to do my hair during the week, during the meetings, like literally counting days. Guys, I wanted a nice hairstyle. Hi guys, I just wanted to show you guys some exercises that I do to prepare for labor, because natural birth this side. Oh, I just wanted to focus there. I've been exercising and I thought that let me just bring you to my exercises so that you can get ready for labor with me. So I'm gonna start with this.
You know I need it. I'm so addicted. I can't live without it.
Hey guys, so guess what? It's my baby shower at church. Like, how cute is that, guys? Like, I still don't believe it. Like, I just thought that let me just share a moment, like, with you guys. You'll see now. Hey guys, so after church we came back home. Like, from that moment, guys, I feel so blessed. So I came back home and my sister just thought she would bless me more. Remember, we did the cot yesterday with my husband, but we didn't pack the things up because we needed to be washed. So my sister volunteered that she will help me. Guys, blessed. Say hey, sister. Give a look, guys. Because
For the little one.
yes. Oh. Yes, just preparing the hot stuff.
Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it. You can put 100 grand.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode or a segment in my video. I just came back from church, guys. I'm so emotional and so grateful. Like, this have never happened in my life, right? So such a nice gesture that they did at church. So I went with my sister. They said I must come with a family member today, so I invited my sister, like, so it was just so nice because it's in the last weeks of my pregnancy. I couldn't go alone. So yeah, guys, they bought me all of this. Can you imagine? Like, it is so cute. So I'm so grateful. I don't know if I should take you guys through, but it's a whole lot of cute stuff, cute outfits for the boy that you guys will see. But there's this other present that I loved, like, guys, it was written to me, but then it bested on our way back from church. It was saying like baby shower for Mukhadi's baby shower. It's a boy, and this box I can reuse it, right, and use it for my boy's stuff. Like, I'm just so grateful, guys. So yes, these are the things that they bought. I'm not gonna unbox, but I just wanted to just share this moment with you guys that I am so grateful of. If you're from church and you're watching my vlog, I love you guys. You guys are awesome.